Are you on the hunt for a property with an in-law suite or attached rentable unit? If so, this one might just be for you. In this video, we're going to give you a full breakdown of this property to help you see if it is a potential fit. So this property is 1002 Unit A, Spain Avenue in Nashville, Tennessee, and more specifically the heart of East Nashville. It is listed for sale at the time of recording this video, and we are the listing agent for it. So with that, let's dive into a couple things about the location of this property. We are in the East Hill neighborhood of East Nashville. You're pretty much in the heart of East Nashville. You're talking 10 minutes or less to downtown Nashville. You've got easy access through Ellington Parkway or Gallatin Pike. And then as far as like walkability, you've got you're walkable to several local eats, and within a short drive, you've got all the rest of East Nashville eateries, coffee shops, etc. Now, this home does sit on a little unique road. It's basically a U, so you've got two ways in and pretty much no cut through traffic. Not pretty much, there is no cut through traffic, and the road is full of new builds and existing homes that have been updated. Now, the home itself is unique as well. You've got two separate units, the first floor and the second floor. You could use them as one, there's not an issue doing that. But if you are looking for that property that has the separate entry in-law suite or that rentable unit, this one has it. You're looking at 3 bedrooms on the first floor, 2 full bathrooms, around 1,500 square feet. Second floor has 1 bedroom, 1 full bathroom, and its own living space and kitchen with full bath as well, which I mentioned. On this road, you're gonna find plenty of people walking their dogs and kids and everything like that. So super nice, quiet area. And yeah, with that, let's take a look at the property. So this is a view of the property from the sidewalk. You can see here, there's plenty of street parking up and down. The property does have 2 parking pads unique to it. And the property does have a separate property or house on the back. That's their driveway, as you can see there. Side entry to the second floor is right there. You do have a nice little front yard over here, as you can see. And then on the left side of the house, you do have side yard to utilize as well. So stepping on up into the property, the way we're gonna do this tour is, we've already shown you the front yard. We're gonna run in, give you guys a tour of the inside, first floor, second floor, and then take you around back. So one really nice thing that I personally like about this house is this huge covered front porch. If you're someone that loves to be outside, and especially in the morning time or late evening, like myself, this is just a nice relaxing place to be. Okay, so with that, let's get on into the property. So we have just stepped in the front door of the first floor. You're greeted by this open floor plan. That is the front door. That's overlooking the front yard and your parking pad. Again, this unit has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a separate dining and utility room. Open floor concept, as you can tell, it's around 1,500 square feet, and it has been renovated within the last year to 2 years. So we're gonna start with the kitchen. Of course, that's one of the main centerpieces for most people. Updated kitchen. You've got the stainless steel appliances. You've got the stone counters. I believe it's quartz, but don't quote me. I am not a stone specialist. Plenty of counter space. The nice white cabinets are slightly off-white. They do have soft close doors. You've got the under mount sink, the built-in microwave, and then one thing, I should say, this is for the refrigerator off to the side as well. The property does not come with any refrigerators, but it does have a space. And then under this huge island, you do have the under counter cabinet space. So this kitchen is not short of storage space. Looking back at the living room, you do have an existing fireplace, although it has been closed out. So there is a gas line on the other side if you wanted to bring in your own gas fireplace or put in an electrical one, that's an option too. And then right off the main living room, you have your first full bathroom, renovated from head to toe, walk-in shower, Nice vanity. And then a few things throughout this property you'll find. You've got windows, new windows throughout, upstairs, downstairs, newer roof, flooring, newer flooring. I believe it is the laminate flooring, your engineered flooring, and yeah, of course, paint and stuff, fixtures. So this is the front bedroom. Plenty of light in this one. It's got the closet. Pretty standard closet for the older homes. You've got new doors throughout as well, should mention that. And then on the first floor, you do have nice tall ceilings. Heading on back to the second bedroom, right off the kitchen. Slightly bigger than the first bedroom. Similar closet. So very efficient floor plan, no hallways and stuff really. So this door is gonna go upstairs to the second unit. It is fully lockable. And then this is your separate dining space. You do have a wet bar here. And then that is going to be the entrance to the master bedroom and then also to the basement. And then also this is your utility room. Small but adequate. And that is gonna go back out to the back patio. We'll go out there in a little bit. So heading on to the master suite. This master suite is on the back side of the house. Hopefully you've already kind of seen that. You've got the electric fireplace. That thing will change to a bunch of different colors to whatever mood setting you're going for. Lots of natural light again. This is your primary closet. Has some built-ins already. And then you do have your primary bathroom. Dual vanities. Got those quartz counters again. Separate soaker tub, walk-in shower. Done a pretty job on the tile selection. It's a nice big bathroom. Okay. I'm not going to take you down into the crawl space or basement, but it's worth noting that it has been fully encapsulated and it holds your water heaters and stuff. 2 separate water heaters, brand new for upstairs and downstairs. Okay, so let's head on up to the second story. So this second story, as we said, is its own separate unit. You could utilize it as one if you wanted to. This stairwell is pretty steep, like they made them in the old school days. There is potential for you to potentially extend this out, move your fridge around a little bit, and maybe make this more of a modern staircase. But just throwing ideas out there. So this unit does have its own separate mini split HVAC. As far as setup, that is the front of the house. Full kitchen and stuff's on the right, along with your bathroom. This left door is your bedroom, and I think I said that your living space is straight ahead. So we're gonna start in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Laundry room does have full washer dryer hookups, place for storage and stuff over there. Refrigerator does not come again. Full kitchen, newer cabinets. They've done a really nice job with this color coordinating. And then here is the full bathroom for this upstairs unit. Got your standard tub shower combo on this one. Okay, now the bedroom. It's a pretty nice sized bedroom. bedroom does have a really large, oversized closet. So plenty of extra storage if you need it. And then onto the living space for this one. So that is the main entry, or separate entry for this second floor. Here's your mini split. Place to hang your TV and stuff. And plenty of natural light in here. And then another little addition. This is basically just like a bonus storage room if you need it. Okay, so with that, let's give you a preview of the stairs coming in, and then we'll head on down to show you that exterior patio. So this is just, we've just headed outside. That's the second floor entry, staircase, unit. There's that second house on the back side. And yeah, let's head on down to the back side, back into the property. Okay, so we've just walked around the side of the property. This is the back entertainment space. Huge back patio, as you can tell. That's your back entry door. That's the driveway to the back unit. Great place for you to hang some string lights, and you could really make this a nice little entertainment area. You also have the option to fence in this little side yard, and you could have a little green space if you have any pets or anything like that, or kids. Okay, so that's it for the actual property tour. I want to quickly cover a couple of the update details that I'm aware of. So this property has been fully updated over the last year to 2 years. Those items include the roof. You've got new windows. You've got 2 brand new water heaters down there, fully encapsulated crawl space. Property has had professional foundation work done to it with warranty to ensure this older home is structurally sound. You do have new floorings, new bathroom. Obviously all the kitchens have been fully updated. Electrical has been attended to, and then as well as plumbing with that. I believe that covers all the big core items. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, my name is Cullum Stirling, and hope this video was very helpful and informative. With that, see you around town.